Hey everybody. My last video, I talked about following your intuition. And in a world that is constantly changing and so many people are getting caught up in the corruption, the stuff that's going on. And then there are those of us that are awake and we see the corruption on so many levels. I was talking to a friend of mine this morning and she's like, Pam, you're the only person that I know that gets it on all levels. And it's a lonely place. It really truly is a lonely place when everybody around you doesn't get it. You're the only one that gets it. Or you might have a person or your spouse or, something like that. But when you let go and you follow your intuition, there are so many more of us out there, but you can't be focused on the negative. You have to be open to what the universe brings you. And if you're vibrating in a higher state of consciousness, the universe isn't going to bring you the bad stuff. It's going to bring you, it's not going to bring you, it's going to bring you what you need. And if you want to join with like-minded people, you have to follow your intuition. Because just like I said in my last video, I had just the thought, you know what, this next weekend, I guess it was this weekend, is supposed to be beautiful. Let's go camping. So we went camping and met an amazing couple. Well, that transpired into them staying with us as they passed back through Virginia on their way to North Carolina. They stayed with us for a few days. And it's like we all get it. We're all on the same page. And the common denominator was, it's a blessing that we met each other, because now it's not a lonely journey. We can talk to them, they talk to us, because whatever was said was, we all got it. We're all on the same page. So that would not have happened if any of us had allowed our old limiting beliefs, our old judgments, the old paradigm to step in and take over of division and difference. And they're not like me, so therefore I don't want anything to do with them. On both sides. So the fact that where we are as the people that are awake, stepping into oneness, stepping into wholeness and unity, you will find your tribe, you will find your people when you truly step into oneness and get rid of the judgments and the limiting beliefs and all of those kinds of things. Because with everything that's going on, it's so easy to get sucked into the corruption, and the more you're aware of it, the more it comes into your existence to let you know just how corrupt everything has been. Everything we've been told, everything is part of it. But when you see it, you know it, and then you back away and you don't dwell in it, you don't focus on it, you can stay in the vibration of love and light. Then people will come to you You know, people will come into your existence that are meant to be there. You know, and not getting hung up on the people that choose to stay asleep. You know, a couple weeks ago, I met with my family, and we were having this conversation, and they just look at me like either they don't care or they think I'm still talking out of my ass. They don't get it. You know, they maybe in this existence they will, maybe they won't. I don't know. That's not my path. That's not my journey. That's not for me to judge. I just have to let it go. So for a period of time, like actually probably a day, it was overwhelming to me. Because not the fact that they're asleep, but just the level of corruption that has been allowed, that we have allowed to happen because of somebody else's greed. When you trace back all of the corruption, whether it be in the medical field, the education field, the organized religion, government, all of it, when you trace back all of that, it comes back to one agenda of control and greed and power, and not yours. It's taking yours away. So when you get stuck in that and you let it just continue to build in you, all it does is make you angry, which is what it did to me. It just made me so angry. And the thoughts that went through my head of what I would love to do to these people. In past lives, I have done these things. You know, not in this one. But I allowed it to make me angry. And all that did was ruin the rest of my day. So when I step back and go and just see it for what it is and allow that negative energy to just flow through me, don't get stuck. Just bless it. Bless the people that are doing it, because they're doing it in the bigger picture. They're doing it to wake everybody up. Some of us have woken up and some still have not, but that's their journey. And unfortunately, probably more corruption is going to have to take place for more people to wake up. But when you step into love and light and see everything as oneness and see things from the bigger picture, beautiful things happen. You know, if I had stayed stuck in the conversation with my family where they just looked at me like they don't believe me, even though everything that I had said before is coming out, it's just not in mainstream media, you know? So they're not seeing it. But if I had allowed myself to stay stuck in that place, I would have never met the people that I met a couple weeks ago. And the universe is putting people in your path. It's where are you vibrationally equal to? Are you vibrationally equal to the people that are still asleep? Or are you vibrationally equal to those of us that are awake? Who's coming into your existence? What information is coming into your existence? that is a huge gauge for where you are in your thought process, in your heart, because you get what you focus on. So if you're getting more people that are asleep, if you're getting more chaos, if you're getting more fear and things like that, those are the things that inside either you need to heal or that's what you're focusing on. Because the people that came into my existence, if I had stayed in and sorry, I've got traffic going by. If I had stayed in the anger, I would have been too angry to even notice the people at the campground. A, I probably wouldn't have gone camping because I'd have been too pissed. B, I would have had a horrible time camping, and I would have never acknowledged these people that came into my existence, because that anger would have taken precedence. And sorry, I have a crow who's saying, yeah. You know, so let that nonsense go and step back into love. And it will be the most amazing, thing. So, like I said, follow your intuition, but follow it from a place of love and acceptance. And don't get hung up in all the crap that's going on in the world. Because when you're not in that place, it won't be coming to you. And since they left, I mean, we had an amazing visit. They were with us for a few days, and it was amazing. None of us wanted the time to end. So, okay, I just have lost my train of thought. But stay in the love vibration. Oh, since they've left, videos have come in that not the normal stuff that I was watching before, but even stuff on a deeper level. That stuff that I resonate with, stuff that I've been saying all along, but it's just more confirmation from the universe saying, yeah, you're on the right track. You're on the right path. Keep going, because, and this isn't just me, but look at what is coming in for you. Is it putting you in a good place? Is it helping you step into your power and not from an egoic state, but stepping into who you truly are and what you came here to experience? So anyway, I know that this is probably like all over the place because I have a lot of background noise. But like I said, it's beautiful to watch the unfolding of this process. Even as crazy as it is, when you get to this place where a lot of you are, to be able to step back and see the beauty. Thank you. I used to have a saying, and I haven't used it in a while, but see the beauty in the chaos. And I was just reminded of that saying. When you can see the beauty in the chaos, that's where the magic happens. You get more beauty. And the chaos just fades. It doesn't become chaos. It just becomes more beauty. Because you see the gift. You see the journey. You see the blessing instead of the chaos. So anyway, I love you guys. I send you love and light. I cannot, I'm excited to see how the next chapters unfold, because the four of us, the other couple and my husband and I, we have a mission. It's crazy how the four of us are all on the same page. I didn't know these people before I met them on the camping trip. The universe put them, we crossed paths for a reason. We have, out of everything you can do in this world, we are all on the same mission. And it's a very specific mission. So it's beautiful. I can't wait. I don't want to say I can't wait. I'm excited to see what happens. So anyway, I send you love. I send you light. I send you many blessings. And I send you peace. And we will talk soon.